Good morning children. Welcome to the math class. Today we will do question number 3. It is subtraction from exercise 12.2 chapter 12 algebraic expressions. Before we have done addition, now subtraction. We will do subtraction. Look at the question. Subtract minus 5y square from y square. And you know that from y square, so y square I have to write in front. So what is the solution of this sum? From y square we need to subtract, sign of subtraction. What we need to subtract? Minus 5y square. So minus 5y square. From y square we need to subtract this one, that means minus 5y square. First you arrange the sum in this way, then just simplify. Y square minus plus 5y square. So when both the sign is positive, so you need to add them. Y square and 5y square, it will become 6y square. It is 1y square plus 5y square. Though it was minus subtraction, but minus sign was there. Because of this minus sign, minus and minus become plus, and the result is 6y square. Understood? Next question is subtract 6xy from minus 12xy. Again from minus 12xy, so minus 12xy you need to write first, minus 12xy, and from minus 12xy what we have to subtract? Subtraction sign, that means minus 6xy, both are like terms, same sign you need to add only, and the available sign will come in front. 12 plus 6, 12 and 6, it will be 18xy, and both are minus, so minus 18xy. Understood? Next sum is question number 3, a minus b from a plus b. That from portion I will write first. From a plus b, you are subtracting a minus b. So whatever they have given, I am writing inside the bracket. From a plus b, subtract a minus b. A plus b, then minus sign is outside, so be careful. Minus a, minus plus b. Minus a, minus plus b. Now you can see that like terms a and plus a and minus a, so I can cancel them. Plus a and minus a. Then what will be the answer? 2b. Plus b and plus b, 2b. Understood? Question number 4. Subtract a into b minus 5 from b into 5 minus a. So from portion, you understand that you have to write this one first. So b into 5 minus a. From this one you are subtracting this portion. So subtraction, minus sign, a into b minus 5. So subtracting this one from this one. So b into 5 minus a I have written first, then minus sign and this one. I have to, as because this one is given in two sign in multiplication condition, so you have to simplify it first. First you will multiply b into 5, that means 5b, then minus sign, then this one also you will multiply b into a means alphabetically you need to write ab. So 5b minus ab. Come to this side now, minus, then again you will multiply this with this. So ab, monomials with binomials, we are multiplying a to b, so ab, minus into minus plus, again a into 5. So 5a minus ab plus 5a. From where this plus came? Minus into minus plus. Now according to like terms you will arrange them. We can see that no like term is there except ab and ab. 5b plus 5a minus ab and minus ab, that means 2ab. Minus sign is available, minus sign is here, so available sign is minus. ab and ab 2ab. Understood? Come to the next sum. Now question number 5. Subtract minus m square plus 5mn from 4m square minus 3mn plus 8. So from 4m square minus 3mn plus 8, you need to subtract. So what is the sign of subtraction? Minus. Keep it inside the bracket because it is a binomial. Only monomial you can write without bracket when you are subtracting. But when binomial, trinomial and any kind of polynomials you are writing except monomial, you have to give the bracket before giving the sign of subtraction. Means minus sign. Now minus m square plus 5mn. Why we are giving this bracket? Because when I will open the bracket, all the sign will be changed. See, 4m square leaves from which number we are subtracting, that should not require, it is not required to be changed. 4m square minus 3mn plus 8. After that, because of this minus sign, minus minus plus m square and minus plus minus 5mn. Understood? Now 4m square and m square. That means arranging them according to their like terms, 4m square plus m square minus 3mn minus 5mn minus 3mn minus 5mn and plus 8. Only single constant term. So I have written arranging them according to their like terms, 4m square plus m square, 5m square minus 3mn minus 5mn minus 8mn and then plus 8. Okay. I hope this one whatever we have explained you understood. Now question number 7. 5a square subtract 5a square minus 7ab plus 5b square from 3ab minus 2a square minus 2b square. 3ab minus 2a square minus 2b square. We will subtract this portion, this trinomial from this trinomial. So minus sign subtraction. 5a square minus 7ab plus 5b square. To open the bracket, what you need to do now? 3ab minus 2a square minus 2b square. Okay, as it is I have written. Now I need to change the sign. 5a square minus minus plus 7ab minus plus minus 5b square. After that 3ab and 7ab. We will arrange them. 3ab because they are like terms, 7ab. Then 2a square minus 5a square minus 2a square minus 5a square minus 2b square minus 5b square. Already arrange them according to their like terms. Then 3ab plus 7ab, 10ab both have positive sign, so positive sign in front. Minus 2a square minus 5a square minus 7a square, same sign need to add and the available sign will come in front as it was minus. So minus 2b square and minus 5b square, so 7b square. Understood? Now last question of this question number 3. It is question number 8. Subtract 4pq minus 5q square minus 3p square from 5p square plus 3q square minus pq. So from this one, from this portion, this trinomial I have written first and you need to subtract, so minus sign and you will write this portion here, this trinomial here. Now You know what you have to do. 4p square plus 3q square minus pq as it is I have written. For this portion I need to change the sign. 4pq as minus is outside. 4pq plus 5pq square minus minus plus 3q square. 3q square, arrange them according to their like terms. 4p square, p square is p square, it is p square, 3p square, 3p square. So you have to write also 3p square. 5p square plus 3p square, then 3q square plus 3q square plus 5q square, 5q square minus pq minus 4pq minus pq minus 4pq. Then whatever the sign, according to their sign you have to do the sum now. 4p square plus 3p square means 8p square plus 3p square, 3q square plus 5q square, 8q square minus pq minus 1pq minus 4pq minus 5pq. Understood? Whatever we have explained here, I hope if you practice it, it will be very easy for you. Thank you, students.